first time camping? Are you ready? Hey guys! So, I didn't vlog much in the morning. I just vlogged baby a little bit, but I just wanted to tell you guys that we are going camping today. We are going to Lakelen. It's baby's first camping trip, so that's exciting. I believe we're about an hour and a half away, which is so nice because we're basically halfway there. But yeah, we'll see you guys when we get there. Yeah.
Alright, so we got to the state park over here in Lakelen, and we came because I thought it was open. I thought they were on phase 2 already, but I guess they're not. So it's open for day use but not camping. But the lady said to head down the road to another campground that's not state land, that she's seen people camp there, so we're gonna go check it out, and hopefully it's open so we can camp because we're hungry and everybody's hungry, so now we can start cooking some hot dogs. And the baby's fussy too. He wants to get out and start swimming. I don't know what the fuck to do.
So while babe is struggling to feed baby, so it's been a fail. Yeah. We went to one campground, the one that we were talking about, and it was a fail. It didn't work out. We are gonna be going to, are we gonna end up going to that one? Mm-hmm. So there's another one that's about 30 minutes farther away, not heading back home, farther out, that looks actually pretty nice. Is it Lakelen? Is it the same lake?
No.
No, it's a river?
It's Alta Lake.
Oh, Alta Lake. What's the campground? Alta. And it's called Alta Campground? Oh.
State Park or so. I don't know what it's.
State Park? Oh. But yeah, we ate. We had some chicken. I think we're just gonna get ready and then head out to this campground. I really want to show the baby the water, so we'll probably go down there for a little bit because this water is just so blue.
What's going on? So we got to the Alta Lake. Give us a map. We're gonna go choose our campground and come back and pay because they want money.
How is that? Honey, it's okay.
Let's see if it gets all of us. Good morning. Good morning. Let's hi, baby. Alright, so what are we gonna tell them?
Well, we found a camping spot last night. We got here and we just unpacked, and it's not facing me. We got here, we unpacked real quick, and we started a fire. I filmed a little bit last night of the fire, but you really couldn't see anything. We were all so tired, and oh my gosh. So yeah, first time in the tent with the baby, and he did so good. He slept through the whole night. It's not facing me, it's facing above us. Here you go, Dad. Dad's not a professional vlogger, so experienced vlogger.
So you haven't showed them the lake?
No, I haven't showed them anything about here.
So we open this door. As soon as we get out, about like 10 feet to the right, there's the lake. Pretty nice. Well, it's actually really nice. So I'll have to give you guys a tour once we get up. Look at, he's already getting up. You wanna go already? I think it's raining, but it's not gonna be raining all day, so
sprinkling.
Should be good.
Just sprinkling. Is he sprinkling?
Alright then, peace out.
Aquí hay vasitos de frutas si le quieres dar a Lina.
Okay.
Did you eat him, Miguel?
Chorizo with huevo? With the view, look at. Find over there.
Mira. What are you doing? Yeah? What are you doing? What? Aisha, where are you going?
Going on a hike?
Papa, are you ready?
Shoot at. What were you trying to shoot at?
Mom.
The tronco.
Oh, the tronco.
I'm like,
Ali, I told you don't be picking your nose.
I'm not.
Going on a walk. The moms are in the back. So I'll insert the picture of what we just found. There's more campsites. And look at these little cute things. Oh, that's cool. Whistle Pine Ranch. Oh my god, the antlers up there. Whistling Pine. Whistling Pine. Sister made some bomb ass fajitas. Baby, Lakelen. What you doing, Papas? What you doing? Ay, qué bonito, Papa. Oh, the drool.
Ahora estoy.
The boys went to go hunt. We got some wood. We're gonna roast a marshmallow right now. Screaming in the short. Don't shoot the rock.
Oh yeah, because it can melt that.
Dang, Lakelen, tú sí
Yeah,
eres
you hit it, you hit it, you hit
chingón. Tú sí sabes, ¿verdad?
Baby.
Yeah? Here,
Lakelen.
here.
Lakelen.
Look, what's shoot? Sharpshooter.
Doing, Papa?
Hey, sharpshooter.
What'd you do? Huh?
The American sniper.
What'd you do? Yeah? I felt watched. Oh, this gives me headache. But that's it started. So this is a wet roll. This is what we're doing right now. Oh, Mom, that was a good one. And the bread. Put that on pause to eat some good.
Oh, you think they're right there?
The slurper.
Terminábamos pronto de hacer la
From your nap, Lakelen?
So, él me decía, ¿quieres que paremos de baño? Y le digo, sí, me da igual si quieres parar. Y
Travieso.
Toss me once.
You better catch it.
Oh, ni que me ha chiqueado. Chiqueado feo, but.
Mom.
Where's Johnny?
Come here, Luna.
Good morning, guys. We today's the last day. We are leaving today after lunch. My hair is crazy. It looks all tangled. I need to put it up. The baby is rolling around. Lakelen, what are you doing? What you waking up? What you waking up? Yesterday was pretty gloomy all day, but today it's supposed to be nice. Of course, the day that we're leaving. Are you ready to eat? Yeah. And then Dad like went to the bathroom right now, so yeah, that's our morning right now, guys. Let me show you guys our view when you open the tent. So this is it. We're kind of hidden back here. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a red over there. That's my mom's tent. And the campsite is over there. And then we have the water on this side. But yeah, this is us. This is us. Look who sat down. Look you, papas. But yeah, we are gonna head out right now. Get outside and get you some cereal. Yeah, you ready? Your melon? Is that so good? Yummy. Such a good girl. Easy. Easy. Oh, Hazel. Hazel.
I literally just like, because Charlie was gonna sleep on the corner. I'm like, okay, fine. Charlie, go.
Talk over there.
Yeah. It's like it.
You can see everything.
Call me and she goes, you know what?
What are you doing? Do you like the water? Oh my goodness. What a cutie.
Cutie?
Look at this water.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so.
Lino. Lino. Say hi.
Yeah.
Say hi.
He would have to die in Mexico to be with his
That's a good shot right there.
yeah,
Lino, smile for a picture.
Like cheese. Oh.
Baby.
Mira.
¿Qué estás haciendo? Oh my goodness.
You know, like we did with Mom. Yeah. Yeah.
It's not cold. Get in.
Tachi, papas? Tachi, your water?
Baby, ¿está frío? Baby.
No!
Is it cold, baby?
Like that. No! Yo!
Tachi lawa?
No!
Tachi! Don't even put me in there.
She thought she lost her hydro flask, but she didn't.
It was under my seat. We're all done. We're getting ready to leave. Trailer's packed. Baby's knocked out.